Well, hello and welcome. Here we are with the LS400. Today, I have a special little project going on. So if you've watched some of my previous LS400 videos, you'll be aware that my cup holder broke. They're really flimsy. So you have this little contraption that goes into the console that slides out and, pops out. This plastic is, well, plastic and gets very brittle and crappy over time. Plus, with big American-sized drinks, you're pulling a lot of pressure on there. So since quarantine, my dad has been woodworking, and so I decided to see if he would be willing to make me a little cup holder that we could retrofit onto the console. And so instead of this whole complicated thing that tucks under here and whatever, we're just going to have a fixed wooden cup holder with bigger slots. And being the clean freak that I am, since we have the console out, I decided to clean all of this as well as pull the seat out, and I'm going to clean underneath that. Seats weren't too hard to get out, definitely very heavy. You can see all around the carpet and the console, and frankly everywhere in here, we have some absolutely disgusting, coffee spillage and cigarette burns from the older guy that owned this. And so I'm going to try and take like some spot remover, literally from like Dyson that we got with our vacuum cleaner, and see if I can clean out some of this stuff. Alright, so the carpet is cleaned up. I'm pretty happy with how much we were able to clean it up. I'm pretty impressed with that cleaner. And so I'm just going to clean out the console area and I'm going to be good, and then I'll just do a full clean once all of this is all put together. I just wanted to clean where it's going to be easy to access right now. On we move! And then I'm going to try and wash these little pieces and the floor mats by spraying them down and washing them with some kind of soap or something, just to try it. These are already in kind of bad condition, so if they go south, I don't really care that much. Hail damage knocked out the rear window. All kinds of glass ended up in the trunk and really all over the car. Also carried, I think it was a transmission to go throw in the scrapper in the back. It leaked a little gear oil and it all went down into this crevice. And I just went in that crevice and found a ton of glass as well as gear oil. This is all the glass that was back there. No, God! So I'm going to spray these carpets off too and try and get all the gear oil out of it, because on hot days with all the windows up, you can definitely smell the gear oil. And no one is a fan of that smell. Alright, I got the carpet drying and it has been sprayed off. I shampooed it and massaged it, and so now we're just waiting for it. But I think these are going to look a lot better than they did. I got a lot more than I expected out. There was a lot of like black stains, which I think was ash. It looks like it's going to be taken care of. So here's the breakdown of the console piece. Okay, so we have this platform here. Just has little slots cut out, and that will cover it up until that plastic wood grain piece that goes around the shifter, and then this piece just goes in here. It has these brackets that just screw into the factory little bracket that's already there. Alright, it is not completely sealed up, but here's an idea of what it looks like. Nice. Alright, so there it is, fully installed. With the little console liner and everything all prepared. It's nice and solid. This sits almost as flush as I need. I'm probably going to have to fine-tune that a little bit, but for the most part, that's all done. And it latches. Nice. Additionally, today when I went to fill up my gas tank, I found these little guys hanging out underneath my cap. They actually fell out from that area in my cap, and later in the day after I filled up, I found that the LS400 was pouring out fuel from the filler. So this is basically for a release of pressure, and without that, the pressure built on a hot day in a full tank and spilled over. So I just replaced my gas cap. It actually looks like this one had been replaced because it's a Stant cap, and I'm not so convinced that Lexus went with Stant. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and leave a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy this content, or share it even if you like the idea. And try it for yourself if your little cup holder is broken. Seems like that little unit in the console is not a fantastic design. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and take it easy.